Okay, girl, today we're gonna do our nails.
I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check, no drip, this wet. Tell them run it up.
Hey bougie bestie, it's Teresa Shea from Fly Fierce Fab, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how I do my nails. Now I get everything that I use on Amazon. I have everything linked down below for you in the description box of my Amazon storefront. Let's get into it. Okay, let me start off by showing you guys what nails I use. So I always get the X-Coat Tips by BTArtBox. They come in a bunch of different designs, colors, shapes, sizes. Today I'm going to use their nude long square French tip nails. So they come like this. Each card has 15 sizes on it, so you can definitely find a size that works for you. And you get 5 cards in the box, so that's enough to do 5 different manicures. So what I go in and do first is I size and prep my nails. Now I already know my sizes because I wear them all the time, but basically you want to find a nail that fits you like really well from edge to edge. You don't want it like overlapping. You don't want it to be too big for your finger. I take the nails off the card and then I'm going to quickly just file off that little tab at the top. I'm not trying to take away the length, I just want that tab gone. So after I get all my sizes together, I'm going to put them on the nail stand, which I also got from Amazon, and I'm going to work with the nails on there. This way I can put them under the UV lamp. Next, I get a lint-free wipe and I spray it down with rubbing alcohol, and I use that to wipe down all of the nails. This way, like, there's nothing on there that winds up like getting into my gel polish or getting like messing up my nails. Now, if I were going to do a design, I would do this before the builder gel, but today I'm not, so I'm going to just start going in right from builder gel. So I use builder gel and top coat by BTArtBox. Basically what builder gel does is it helps to strengthen and harden the nails. This makes them feel like acrylics, and it also makes the design on the nails last longer. So when you're going in with the polishes, but especially the builder gel, it's really important that you like cap the tip of the nail, and you also want to make sure you cover the edge as well, because if you don't do this, the builder gel might start to like peel up as you're wearing your nails. So after a few days you might like see like some flaking or something weird. So you just really want to make sure that you get the tips and the edges of the nails. And this goes on just like regular polish. You're going to paint all of your nails, and then I put them underneath my nail lamp for 60 seconds. Now this nail lamp, it does turn on like once you put anything underneath there, but it also has settings as well. So I'm just going to turn it on for 60 seconds. This way I can cure the builder gel. So after curing the builder gel, next I'm going to go in with top coat. This is going on just like the builder gel. I'm going to paint this on all of the nails. Again, you want to make sure you cover the tip of the nail and all of the edges as well. And I'm also going to cure this under my UV nail lamp for 60 seconds. After the nails finish curing under my UV nail lamp, the next step in my process is I'm going to glue these on, because again, basically I just made some press-on nails. So to prep my natural nails, I first spray like a cotton pad with some rubbing alcohol, because I really don't want to waste my lint-free nail wipes on this. And I just wipe down all of my nails, like just to make sure, you know, there's like no moisture, no like lotion, nothing that's gonna prevent the nail glue from like really adhering to my nails. So I take the nail glue, I put some on my natural nail, and then I'm also going to put some underneath the press-on nail as well, and I try to spread it out really well so like the whole nail part is covered. Then I go in at a 45-degree angle and I press the nail down. Quick little tip here, you want to let the nail glue dry for at least an hour before you let your nails get wet, because if not, I find that the nails will start to lift sooner. Ideally, what I like to do is I put the nails on before I go to bed, and then this way when I wake up the next morning, my nails are fully like dried, adhered, like we're locked in for like a good amount of time. Okay girl, so that is basically how I do my nails in depth. And again, everything that I use to do my nails all the time is already linked for you guys on my Amazon storefront, and I have it down in the description bar below. And if you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another new nail tutorial from me. You can catch me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, all the places, child. I'm Fly Fierce Fab everywhere online. Thanks for watching, stay snatched, and I'll see you next time.
Crash my but first die, stretch, tell them run it up. I wake up, flex, thumb down, now check, no drip, this wet. Tell them run it up. No sleep, no rest. Might crash, might wreck. But first die, stretch. Tell them run it up.